Hello friends, and welcome to the Enchanted Forest, where our friends from the alphabet are about to embark on a wonderful adventure. Let's meet our characters. First, we have Annie Apple. Annie, apple. Next up, we have Bouncy Ben. Bouncy, Ben. In the kitchen, we have Clever Cat. Clever, cat. By the pond, we have Dippy Duck. Dippy, duck. Now we have Eddie Elephant. Eddie, elephant, and he is painting some eggs. Egg. Oh look, there's Fireman Fred. Fireman Fred, and there's a fox and a frog. Now we have the Golden Girl. Golden girl. And here's the Hairy Hat Man. Hairy hat. Now we have Impy Ink. Impy Ink. Oh look, there's Jumping Jim, jumping on some jelly. Jumping, jump. The Kicking King is playing with some kites. Kicking, king. Lucy Lamp Lady is looking at a lighthouse. Lucy, lamp, lady. Munching Mike wants to munch on some mice. Munching, Mike, mice. Now we have Naughty Nick. He's playing with some nails in his father's workshop. Naughty, Nick. Oscar Orange is selling some oranges at the farmer's market. Oscar, orange. Poor Peter Cat got peas for his picnic. Poor, Peter. The quarrelsome queen pricked her finger with a needle. Quarrelsome, queen. Robin Red is catching some fish in the river. Robin, Red. Sammy Snake is looking for seashells. Sammy, Snake. Ticking Tess is listening to the clock making tick, tick, tick. Ticking, Tess. Uppy Umbrella goes up when it starts to rain. Uppy, umbrella. Look, there's a vase of violets on the beach, close to a volcano. Vase, violet. Water Windmill is pumping out some water. Water, windmill. Max and Maxine is painting some cardboard boxes with an X on it. Max, Maxine. The yellow yo-yo man is looking at some yachts. Y, yellow, yo-yo. Zigzag zebra is searching for his friends in the forest. Z, zigzag, zebra. Now that we have learned what sounds the alphabet letters make, let's go and practice it. And join us for more adventures soon. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye, friends.